I'll give you a quick tour of the house. And we've got a little plunge pool, but we've had to put these plants here because when we signed the contract, we were sitting over there with the owner and Lily ran up here, jumped in the pool. So this house was renovated because it had white ants, termites, and the people that renovated quickly walked through the house. This is the entrance. And we've never turned the aircon on since we've been here because I think they've insulated the roof. There's Lily, the little monster. The TV was here. Karaoke machine, which we've put away. Not going to use that. Lily's little bed, that came from Soi Khao Noi. We bought our sofa as well, or our little 2.5 seater lounge, which is super comfy. And my good old trusty recliner. But this big lounge, this one here, was there. Anyway, we've asked the owner to pick it up. We're not going to use it. Little fridge. This is the master bedroom. We've put blockout curtains there because it just had these thin ones that, as you can see, don't really block off much, but TV in the bedroom. I never watch TV in the bedroom, let alone TV at all, unless it's Formula One. Our ensuite. And these doors are ventilated, which is good. Another bedroom, sorry, another bathroom. Okay. We don't need all this space, but we needed the space for the business concept. Whoops. So we didn't need all this space, and we negotiated the price based on the fact that we're going to be kind of operating a business from here. And that's it.